Alrighty, YouTubers. It was a rainy, muddy day today. I'd like to show you my feet. Where the hell's your feet at? Hold on, boys. Let's look at them pretty feet. Bet y'all don't work like that, do you? Thanks to my Crocs. Got my Crocs. They're going to take a shower with me. Hey, be good. Me and the Crocs going to take a shower, and I want you all to be first to know that I came up with this style. Okay, this is in 4-wheel drive. This is in 2-wheel. My cuz calls that differential lock. All right. So if I see you all wearing your Crocs like that, I know where you got them from. All right.